Hey guys, glad to have you back here. And in today's class, I'm going to show you a little secret you can use to be more effective in your trades. All right, this strategy is going to help you, and that is because I've been using it for a very long time to trade both sports and futures, and I'll be illustrating how it works. So forgive my drawing, just pay attention to what I'm about to say. Now let's say there's an uptrend like this, and the candle is going up and then it comes down. Okay, and normally it is supposed to go up like this. All right, it's supposed to go upper like this, but it did not. It disappointed the uptrend and of course stopped below here. Pay attention that the candle did not go up. It disappointed the uptrend and finished below this place. Okay, now, and instead of going up, it started coming down to form an M sign, right? Started coming down to form an M sign. Now what we are going to do is, what you're going to do here is to simply um draw a support line or a resistance line. Just draw your trend line around the last red candle printed at the middle of the M. All right, so I'm going to come here. I just hope you understand my point because it's going to help you a lot. Okay, I'm going to just come here and draw this point. Okay, I drew it from the middle of the M. All right, now we're going to just wait for price to come into this place. We're going to just wait for price to come back into this place and we're going to enter a downtrend. All right, the price is likely going to go down like this. Let me show you something. Let's say the price started coming back up. So let's say the price started playing around here and coming back up like this. Wait for the price to get into this box and would enter a downtrend or a short or a sell, and the price will most likely be rejected from this point. So let's check that out. I'm going to open my chart and you're going to see a lot of other instances just like what I've done. Okay, so let me give you another example. This one is for an uptrend. Now let's say we got a sweet downtrend. Okay, got a sweet downtrend that we are enjoying, and normally downtrend doesn't just go down. It has it has to go up a little bit, and okay, instead of it to come down like this, it did not go down. Instead it finished just here and it did not pull down this way. It finished just here, forming a W sign like this. All right, what you're going to do is to use just use your rectangle sign. Okay, just go to your trading view, find your rectangle and draw. This is a downtrend, so you're going to draw the last green candle at the middle of the W like this. Form a green candle at the middle of the W and of course wait for the price to come inside. Wait for the price to play inside here. Once it plays inside here, it's likely going to bounce up. Something like this. I'm going to show you something like this. Just give me a moment. Okay, forgive my drawing. Wait for the price to come back inside this rectangle. Anywhere inside, you can enter a long trade. Now you can look at it very well. I've explained everything because we are going to the charts right now to show you how it works in reality. So this is an uptrend. Now the first sign is that the price could not go higher than this. All right, it could not go higher than this. Instead, it finished just below it. All right, and started forming an uptrend, which means it disappointed this uptrend or violated this uptrend. Okay, and started going down. Now what you're going to look out for is for draw this map. Okay, draw this map from the middle and wait for the price to come inside this box, and anywhere inside this box you can go short or down. All right, so let's get straight into our live trades and let's see how it applies. Now this is a chart for Solana, and we're looking out for the M signs and the W signs just like we've drawn. So I've actually drawn out some that you can find. This was my illustration just few minutes ago. So you can find that happening somewhere here. Okay, so here guys, This is the M sign. The price was going up like this and came down. You can see instead of the price to go up and finish above this already uptrend that is forming, it violated it, of course disappointed, and came down. I told you that you're going to draw look at the red sign, look at the red candle at the middle of the M, and you draw your rectangle, okay, and wait for the price to play around this place until it tries to come into this rectangle again. Now immediately it tries to enter the rectangle, you can enter a short trade, and of course you would have gotten some little bit of profit around this point. Now of course you can set your stop loss a lot below, a lot above this area, okay, just wherever you wish, but I feel you can set your stop loss just above this area, above this, the last trend, this one here. Okay, you can set your stop loss here so that it will not touch it. You just get to enjoy some little bit of something of shorts, and of course grab your profits from here. Now there are other examples I'm going to show you. I've drawn out some of them that I've used. So this is another example here of a W sign. So you can see the price was coming down and went up. It did not come down, it did not come lower than this to continue the downtrend. Instead, it finished just at the same sign, at the same line or above it, and started going up. All right, now what you're going to do is to come to this place, look for the green candle in the middle of the W, and draw your lines. Wait for the price to try to fall into this place, and then you enter a long trade. Okay, you can listen to this video again and again to understand how this works. All right, there are many examples on your charts, and you'll be looking out for all the M's and all the W's on our charts. All right, so this is exactly how it happened around this one. Okay, so we're waiting for the price to come down here. Once it comes here inside this rectangle, we're going to enter a long trade. Okay, now here is another one. Here is this was a sweet downtrend that was going so fine, so fine, so fine, until this guy failed to finish, failed to finish below this other one. All right, and instead started going up. We're going to do from the middle of the W sign, draw your rectangle and wait for the price to come inside this box. Okay, when the price enters here, you can now go along, enter a long trade. Now there are many of them that I've marked out, but we're going to be checking out for some new ones also. Okay, so we are looking out for all the M's and all the W's. Okay, there was no violation here. You can see this is a perfect downtrend. There was no violation here at all. So you can actually check out a lot of them by yourself on your chart. If you don't understand this, you can listen to this again and again. Okay, so this was a good downtrend. You can see the downtrend was nice. It finished below, so it was not a violation. Okay, so this is not a signal at all. So this is another uptrend. Okay, the uptrend was going nice here, came down here, finished above, not here, above. So there was no violation here. All right, now you can see this side. This was another uptrend, came down here, did not finish above. So I'm going to draw something here so you can understand. This is another uptrend that was going sweet. The price came down here, okay, and could not finish above this uptrend. Instead, it finished here, which is a signal, and the price started going down. All right, what we are going to do is to use your rectangle. Just use your rectangle. I'm going to use my rectangle to draw it out for you, so that in case you want to, you are learning this, just look for this, the middle of the middle here. This is an uptrend, so you're going to look for a red sign, a red candle at the middle of the M. Okay, I'm going to draw the rectangle just like this, so you can see just the size of the, just at the size of the size of the candlestick in between. So you can see it was okay. We almost got it. I'm going to draw it down a little bit because this is not the full size. So here, guys, we are going to just be waiting for the price to get into this rectangle again. Now you can see the price came down and it's almost tried to get in. In fact, it touched it. I would have entered a short trade from here and it would have gone down this position. Now this one almost entered, but it did not, so you can actually leave this one like that. Okay, so there are many of them you can find on your chart, and you can see this is one I've used previously to trade in the past. Okay, here was a sweet uptrend. The price came down here and could not finish above, which is like a disappointment or a violation in price in the uptrend. Okay, a violation in the uptrend. All right, so from this M sign that we are looking out for, and then you can come to the middle, mark out the red one, and of course mark out the last red candle and draw it like this. Wait for the price to come inside the red candle. Whenever the price enters into this rectangle sign, it tends to actually bounce downwards. You can see it bounce downwards, and you'd have, I will just be waiting for it to enter into the rectangle, and of course you'd have to short your trade here, take profit around this point, wait for it to come up again, short here again, take profit around this area. This is for short trades. All right, so definitely M sign are for short trades, and W sign should be for long trades. All right, so there are many of them. Let's actually check this out. Okay, this one should be one of them. You can see what is going on here. Let me draw something. There was a sweet downtrend here. Okay, and the price got to this area, came back here, failed to finish here. All right, so it finished here and started going up here. Okay, so what we are going to do is to take our rectangle sign, and of course you'd have, let me just stop it here. So at the middle of this, sorry for that. So at the middle of this, you would have drawn your lines, and of course wait for the price to get in within range. You can see the price bouncing here, going up, bouncing here, going up. All right, this is another very nice, very nice one. So here is another one I've used in the past. This is an M sign, a sweet uptrend, came down, failed to continue the uptrend. Instead, it finished below this place. Whenever it finishes below here, okay, comes down, okay, you draw your line from the middle red candle, and of course wait for the price to get in. When the price gets in, you can enter a short trade. Get in, you can enter a short trade. Get in, you can enter a short trade. Now wherever you want to take your profit from, you can determine the smartest way to take your profits from this kind of trades. And of course we can see a lot and a lot examples just like that. Okay, we can find so many of them. You can actually share what you think about this strategy down below. So I'm looking out for other ones. You can see, okay, this one was not violated. I think it was not violated. Okay, this was an uptrend. It was not violated here. Okay, no violation. And here was another one. I feel was another violation here. There was another violation here. Downtrend, went up, came down, went up. So we drew something here. So guys, here's another one I just found. This is another W sign. You have to pay very good attention to this. This is a downtrend. Okay, this is a downtrend. I finished here, went up here, came down here. It could not go below this place. Instead, it finished just here and started going. Okay, let me put it properly, and started going up again. Okay, now what you just have to do is to go and look for your rectangle sign, your rectangle or your supports or resistance line, and draw from the middle. Just draw the red signs from the middle, draw the red candle from the middle, and draw it above, draw it like this, and then you wait for the price to enter into this rectangle. That's like a trap, because once it gets into this place, you can enter a long trade. Okay, you can enter a long trade, because it will always bounce from this point. Okay, now this is another one that I've just drawn out, okay, for you. I've used this one in the past. Price was going up. You can see the price was from here. From here, the price has been going up, getting into sweet trades, going up, getting into sweet trades, going up, getting into sweet trades. From this point, it could not enter here again. Okay, assuming it entered here, this will not be a signal, but it finished below and make that M sign that we are looking out for. From the middle of the M, you can draw your line, but unfortunately, our price never got into this place, so there will be no downtrends. Okay, but you can see as when we drew this whole stuff to this end, and the price would have entered it and would have entered a down trade just here. So guys, this is actually amazing. There are many of them you can actually draw down by yourself, and you can see, you can find this is on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can find this on several time frames as you like. So guys, this is cool, and I believe you can use this by yourself. All right, so let's check out for one more, maybe uptrend or downtrend. We are basically looking out for W's and M's. W's and M's. So this is one. I think this is one. You can see. Let's see. This is one of them. There was a sweet downtrend here. Okay, the price went up a little bit, but could not finish below here. Instead, it finished here. All right, could not finish here. Instead, it finished here, which is violating the downtrend, and the price started going up. Okay, so what you're supposed to look out for is just look out for, draw your rectangle from the middle of this place to this end. Okay, just draw your rectangle to this area. Now unfortunately, the price could not enter into the rectangle. Okay, I'm drawing it now. If you want to draw a rectangle, you have to be careful. Make sure the rectangle is the exact size of the um the green bar, because this is a downtrend, so we're going to be using the green bar, exact size of the green bar. So this was almost, as meaning entered here, would have entered into a long trade. So guys, this will be the end of this class, guys, and if you want me to shed more light on this strategy, give this video a like, and of course I'm going to do a lot and a lot more. Do have a very wonderful day, guys, and definitely I'll see you on the next one.